Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get bank statement on Capitec Bank app. To do this, what you can do is simply first of all log in with your account and enter your secret PIN to sign in. As when you open your app, so you will get an option to sign in with your PIN. So simply enter your PIN and you will be signed into your account. And after that, simply choose this option, choose your account. As you can see here, this is the picture of the home section of your app. So choose your account section from here, and after that simply go to choose email statement. And when you go to choose email statement, you will get the option of choose date range. Either you can choose 30 days or 60 days or 90 days. So choose whatever you want, and after that simply enter your email address just below the date range, and after that choose, and simply that is a simple process of how you can get your bank statement. And if you face any kind of issue, so you can try to update your app and then try again and you will get your bank statement. So that is a simple process.